Ha ha ha. Where you are now and where your dream, your next dream is. There seems to be a gap in between where you are now and where your dream is. But not for long, as in this video we will bring your dream into the now. So that there is no more gap between you and your dream, between your current life situation, circumstance, whatever, and your dream. Firstly, we are going to assume that your dream, the amazing dream that you have in your heart, planted by your soul, it's already done. That reality already exists, where that dream that you have in your heart is already done. We are going to assume that that reality is already here and now. Second step. We are not going to be fooled by the 3D physical reality. So whatever the 3D physical reality is currently showing you, you know what it currently looks like? We're not gonna be fooled by it. You know, in front of any situation or circumstance, we're going to ask ourselves, what situation? What circumstance? Darling, we are going to ignore the 3D physical reality completely. Like that. Okay. Third step. Feel into the reality where your dream is already done. As we assumed that that reality already exists. Your dream is already done. It has already realized. So now, with the power of our minds, we're gonna tap into that reality. Using our amazing imagination, the power of our imagination, we are gonna tune into that reality where your dream is already done. You know the entire sensory experience. Tune into what that reality, when your dream is already here, what it feels like. What does it feel like when your dream is here? What does it taste like? And what does it smell like? What does it sound like? Etc. Tune into that. Tune into what that reality looks like. In your mind. With your mind's eye, tune into that reality and feel into that reality in the now. when you have done that, dearest one. Fourth step in this process. Merge with the version of yourself who already lives in that reality. Okay? Tap into that version of yourself who already lives your dream, your next dream, in the now. And pull information from that version of yourself. You can ask that version of yourself that what inspired action are you guiding me to take right now? As that version of yourself already knows what actions you took on your path to that dream. It knows exactly what to do, what aligned action to take, that actually brings your dream into the now, physically. Then just take that action. As this version of yourself who already lives in that reality where your dream is already done, where it's here and now. Okay. And what else? Yeah. Step number 5. Here we go. Have and maintain this delusional conviction and knowing that the dream in your heart is already done. And no matter what the 3D physical reality looks like, you maintain that delusional conviction and knowing that it's done. You know, have this delusional trust as well that it's done. We are again not going to be fooled by the 3D, as the 3D physical reality is just having fun with us. And yeah, it's just having fun with us, and it will bring your dream physically into your current experience when the time is right. Have this delusional knowing that, yes, the dream will be here and now physically when the time is right. And in the meanwhile, you completely ignore that 3D physical reality and you take inspired action. One inspired action at a time, guided by the version of yourself who already lives your dream. Oh. That's it, darling. That's how you bring your soul's dream, your next dream, into the now. And if you would love to tap into this further with me, to tap into the reality where your dream, your next dream, is already here and now. If you would love to bring that dream into your now experience by doing inner work, then I invite you to join the I Am My Soul stream immersion via soultrulyloved.com, or the link in the description of this video, if it's still there, if it's still available. So, your delusional conviction, your delusional knowing, and your delusional trust is what's going to bring your soul's next dream into your now. We're going to ignore the 3D reality completely, no matter what it looks like. We are going to have this delusional conviction that our dream is done. Your dream, darling, is done. And then just tap into that reality, that sensory experience with the power of your mind, your mind's eye. Feel into it, darling. And then merge with the version of yourself who already lives that dream. And pull information from that version of yourself. Like what action to take right now that is radically aligned with this dream that you have in your heart. And just take that action as that version of yourself. And maintain that delusional conviction, knowing and trust that it's done, it's done, it's done. Again, we are not gonna be fooled by the 3D. We are gonna live as though the dream is already done in the now. Yay!